Hi everyone, I am doing a quick video today. Well, not really quick, but I just wanted to say hello. It's been so long since I uploaded a video. I think it's been months since I've uploaded a video, and obviously I just want to say this lighting is weird. My neck matches my face. Anyways, I am here with an exciting video. I'm doing an unboxing and also an announcement. The reason I've been gone for a long time is because I am pregnant. And it was a really tough beginning of pregnancy. I'm a little better now, but I just wanted to show my bump. Okay, now to the unboxing. So this would be like a collective haul slash what I got for Mother's Day, and I'm really excited. I got a few items, and I'll explain to you why. First one comes in this box, and it is from Louis Vuitton. It came in the dust bag. To reveal, ta-da! This is called the Ariane wallet by Louis Vuitton in the rose ballerine color. Honestly, you guys, I have been on the market for a wallet, and I wanted like a compact wallet that would house plenty of cards, and this is a better deal, better value than the Victorine in my opinion, because so it's the similar layout as the Victorine, but you get this additional card slot. So it's 1, 2, 3, and then 4, and then you get the zip top right there with the tag and this. So here's the SKU number. I'm pretty sure this item has been discontinued, but if you guys are interested, there you go. But yeah, this is also, by the way, this is all pre-loved, but it's so beautiful. I love it, and honestly this looks brand new. And then I asked her to put $1 in here because, you know, just superstition. But yeah, this was back in 2018. So, and this is made in Spain. It's so cute, you guys. And I think the Victorine is like $5.70 right now, and this one retailed for about $6.90. Obviously I didn't pay that much for it, but this is, I feel, in my opinion, a better deal. So many card slots, and look at this rose ballerine color. If you guys know me, I don't like pink at all, but oh, I forgot to mention, I'm having a daughter. Ever since I found out I was having a daughter, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I need to buy something or get something in her honor. So definitely rose ballerine is the way to go. Next one came in this box, and like I said, this is what I got for Mother's Day from my boys and my daughter. So came with the care booklet and all that, but let me just show you. Here's the dust bag. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so this, I don't know why the camera is washing it out. I'd have to fix my lighting because it's making it look lighter than it is, but look at it. It's so cute. Let me fix this. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty, you guys. Okay, it's still a little washed out. I'll do better pictures later, but look how cute this is. So the only thing that made me not want to go with the empreinte, and I'll explain that later, I'll go into that more later, is because the straps are on each side of the handles, like so. So it's not, I guess it's their way of making it balanced. However, it's still kind of I don't know, it makes it a little uneven in my opinion, so I'm not sure. I'm just checking the glazing because, as you guys know, this is pre-loved, and this, the rose ballerine color, is no longer in production. They have discontinued it. And yeah, this is so pretty. I love this. Okay, so this is how it looks. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So when you hold it, it goes like that. It's on each side of the handle. But hopefully when you wear it, it doesn't look weird. So the handles do prop up, but it's not really in the way. That's what I was worried about, but no. I love this. It's so cute. Oh. Prior to purchasing this, I did want this in the vernis leather, which I did get. So let me show you guys. This is the same bag in the rose ballerine color in the vernis leather. So the reason I thought I wanted this one is because the handles for the long strap are on each side, which makes it more even when you hold it, so the handles do drop inside. But the reason that I'm returning it is because these handles, it's not showing on camera, but when you take a photo, or maybe it's just my lighting, it's dark. So you can tell that it's either dirt from hands of the seller using it, or just discoloration in general, because vernis is very delicate and very sensitive. So this is the color. This is both bags next to each other, and also you can tell that it kind of faded. Do you see that? I'll do a side-by-side comparison also in better lighting, but yeah. And the embossing on the empreinte is just so much better. It's so much deeper, and it's just it's more luxe. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my multiple unboxing. I am keeping the empreinte leather. I am returning the vernis because, like I said, that discoloration for this bag, and like I wanted something that's gonna hold up for my daughter in the future when she decides she wants to start carrying purses. And if it's already discolored like this, I don't want to know what it would look like 15-20 years from now. So this unfortunately is going back. The embossing on it is beautiful, but it's not as deep as the empreinte. But I don't know. Yeah. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there and everybody else's mother. And I will see you guys next time. Please subscribe. Bye.